we know more about permanency, or we know more about permanent settlements, but we are less likely to discuss the temporary settlements. And that is why I ask you this question. We have a few examples of temporary settlements and under what conditions these temporary settlements develop. Okay? Either people are migrating, and most of the cases the temporary settlements will develop when there is a migration. Be it voluntary migration, be it forced migration. Donhi cases you will have temporary settlements. You must be knowing one word, that is refugee camp. Refugee camp. It's a temporary settlement. Clear? Now, एक महाराष्ट्रातलं एक्झाम्पल देतो. शुगरकेन कटर्स, ऊसतोड कामगार ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, इंग्लिश लाईक प्रॉपर वर्ड जिओग्राफीचा आहे शुगरकेन कटर्स. अँड इफ यू लुक एट द सेटलमेंट्स ऑफ शुगरकेन कटर्स, दे आर मोर ऑर लेस टेम्पररी, राईट. ज्या सीझन मध्ये ते शुगरकेन कट करतील त्या सीझन मध्येच त्यांची तुम्हाला सेटलमेंट दिसेल. इट हॅज अ लाईक व्हेरी लोकेशन इन फार्म, काही ऊसाचा शेताचा भाग आहे तिथेच कुठेतरी कोपऱ्यामध्ये त्यांचे सेटलमेंट असतात, राईट. This temporary settlement may also develop as a result of religious pilgrimage. Should it? Take example of Mahakumbh. Mahakumbh कळतं का? कुंभ मेळा आपण ज्याला म्हणतो, since its name has changed, so we have to call it as Mahakumbh. Fine. पंढरपूर. पंढरपूरला एकादशीची यात्रा भरते, राईट. त्या पर्टिक्युलर केस मध्ये वारी, राईट. So wari ji aste, you will find that during that particular 2-3 days period there are a lot of settlements coming in place. Okay, temporary settlements. It's sort of a camp, right? So that is also a case of temporary settlement. Clear? And whatever migratory people we have, they will definitely have temporary settlements. You can give example of transhumans. Whichever tribes do transhumans, they necessarily build temporary settlements.